So guys, today we'll have a B48 D20A. We'll need to rebuilding. He's knocking. It's only half of bearing. Less. I think the crankshaft can be saved. This is our job for a few days to rebuilding this engine. We'll need to strip everything out, but it's BMW, I like it to do it nice and easy. Coming with more video how to open everything and how rebuilding back. So guys, I take it out. Very poor service. Very poor service. Plus, it's affected all around, but I hope to be rebuilding. I will send it today to garage. Next time, guys, do it the proper service, because look what happening when no have proper service. And we'll need to spend a lot of money to do a new engine. Now we'll need 1, 2, 3, 4 pistons. You will see what happens. So guys, this is my next step. To take everything out. No service. Very poor service. Everything maybe never was changed. The oil, everything is out. We will separate the block from head. We will take the axle out. The fuel pump, high fuel pump, we will take it out. We will send it from I can't put it back like that. I will send it from other garage to wash it proper. And I will come in with next video. We will set everything out, piston out, everything out, and that will be next video. And after we will start with the video when we will rebuild the engine.